Hey everyone, today we're taking a close look at Credit One Bank Mobile, the app designed to help credit card users manage their accounts quickly and easily from their phone. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to keep track of balances, payments, or rewards, this app aims to make those everyday tasks feel a lot more straightforward. When you open the Credit One Bank mobile app, the first thing you'll notice is how focused it is on your credit card activity. Right on the main screen, you can see your current balance, available credit, recent transactions, and upcoming payments, all in one place. This makes it easy to check where you stand without having to log into a full desktop site or dig through paperwork. One of the biggest advantages of the app is how simple it is to make payments. You can schedule one-time payments, set up automatic recurring payments, or even make multiple payments toward your balance, all within the app. It also sends reminders and notifications so you don't accidentally miss a due date, which is helpful for avoiding late fees and keeping your credit score healthy. Another area where Credit One Bank Mobile shines is rewards tracking. If your card earns cash back or points, the app shows you how many rewards you've accumulated and where you earned them. It breaks down your rewards activities so you can see what purchases are contributing the most, and you can redeem points or cash back right in the app itself. Security features are strong as well. You can enable biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint unlock, which makes accessing your account quicker and more secure. The app also includes card controls, so if your card is lost or stolen, you can lock it instantly, which gives peace of mind when you need it most. While the app is very capable, some users do mention a few downsides. Occasional slowdowns during peak hours can make loading detailed statements or long transaction histories take a little longer than expected. Certain advanced features like detailed dispute management or complex billing inquiries may still require you to contact support or use a full website. Despite those minor hiccups, Credit One Bank Mobile covers what most credit card users need on the go. From checking balances and tracking rewards to making payments and managing security settings, it helps keep your account under control without stress. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and drop a comment letting me know what you want reviewed next.